Today, we introduce the future of personalized transport. This bike's revolutionary engine power.
Welcome to BikeSphere, your destination for in-depth looks at the most exciting motorcycles on the road. Today we're talking about a machine that blends luxury, power, and three-wheeled touring capability like no other, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike. This model takes the iconic Goldwing platform and reimagines it for riders who crave stability, comfort, and long-distance touring freedom with three-wheel confidence. A touring legend reimagined. For decades, a Honda Goldwing has set the benchmark for touring motorcycles. Known for its smooth flat-six engine, comfort-focused ergonomics, and premium features, it has been a definitive long-distance ride for riders around the world. The 2026 Goldwing Trike builds on that heritage, bringing riders a Goldwing experience with the added assurance of trike layout, perfect for those who want ultimate stability without sacrificing style or performance. Three-wheel design and road presence. The most obvious difference with the 2026 Goldwing Trike is its three-wheel design. Two wheels at the rear provide enhanced stability at low speeds, in parking lots, and during long highway cruises. This layout isn't just about practicality. It gives the trike a commanding road presence that matches its premium touring personality. The chassis has been engineered to maintain the Goldwing's smooth handling while adapting to the dynamics of trike geometry, ensuring every ride feels planted and predictable. Powertrain, smooth, strong, and refined. Under the hood of the Goldwing Trike lies the legendary Honda flat-six engine. Known for its silky smooth power delivery and abundant torque, this engine provides effortless acceleration whether you're cruising through twisty mountain roads or merging onto the interstate with full load. For 2026, Honda's engineers have fine-tuned performance and efficiency, giving riders confidence in a broad range of riding conditions. The engine's refinement complements the trike's touring mission, making long days in the saddle feel effortless. Comfort for the long haul. Comfort has always been a cornerstone of the Goldwing experience, and the trike takes this to an even higher level. The ergonomic seating offers plus support for rider and passenger alike, while adjustable features ensure you can dial in your ideal riding position. Ample wind protection and thoughtfully designed fairing reduce fatigue, keeping wind buffeting to a minimum. Whether you're covering hundreds of miles in a day or enjoying a leisurely weekend getaway, the Goldwing Trike is built to keep you comfortable from first light to last. Technology and connectivity. When it comes to technology, the 2026 Goldwing Trike is packed with premium features. A large, full-color touchscreen display offers intuitive access to navigation, audio, and ride settings. Smartphone integration and Bluetooth connectivity keep you connected on the go, while a refined audio system enhances the touring experience. Advanced rider aids such as adaptive cruise control, traction control, and ABS make long-distance riding safer and more confidence-inspiring than ever before. Handling and stability. While three-wheel layouts have traditionally been associated with cruisers and heavy tours, Honda has engineered the Goldwing Trike to feel agile and responsive. The rear axle setup not only increases stability but also enhances traction, especially under load or in variable road conditions. Steering feedback remains communicative, and the suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and irregularities without compromising control. The result is a trike that feels capable and sure-footed, whether cruising a coastal highway or navigating urban streets. Storage and practical touring features. Touring riders know that storage capacity matters, and the 2026 Goldwing Trike delivers. Generous luggage space, including integrated hard saddlebags and a rear trunk, provides room for gear, helmets, and essentials for multi-day trips. Thoughtful touches like easy access compartments and secure locking mechanisms make packing and accessing your gear hassle-free. With room for everything you need, this trike is ready for adventure on both short tours and extended journeys. The Trike difference. Choosing a trike over a two-wheel touring bike is about more than stability. It's about the experience. For riders who want to minimize the physical demands of balancing a heavy touring bike at low speeds, or who simply prefer the confidence that comes with three-wheel stability, the 2026 Goldwing Trike delivers a compelling package. It's a motorcycle that invites exploration without reservation, offering a sense of freedom that's both reassuring and exhilarating. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike stands as one of the most sophisticated touring machines ever created. It takes everything riders love about the Goldwing: smooth performance, comfort, cutting-edge technology, and enhances it with the stability and practicality of a trike platform. Whether you're a seasoned tourer or new to long-distance riding, this trike promises a premium experience that elevates every mile. Thanks for joining us here at Bikesphere. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most exciting rides.